Hello everybody, today is Tuesday, March 8th. It's 6:04 p.m. I'm just getting around to making today's video. The E-mini S&P on the time and sales here at 6:04 p.m. trading at 1981.75, and we can see that on the chart right here. It was an okay day for the auto trader today. Before I continue, first the required disclaimer. Okay, the first chart I have to show you is the E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 12 tick, and there was only 3 trades here, and they were both reversed, stop and reverse without any profit targets. They were short trades. As you can see from each trade here, there could have been a lot more in these trades had I had different money management, but nevertheless, it still scored close to $1,000 on 2 contracts. And we see the equity curve, so 3 winners and no losers. Okay, we've been showing the E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 4 tick Super Renko. Each bar is 1 point. And this has been performing well and consistently. I have 3 or 4 different charts running on the E-mini S&P Super Renko 4 tick. They are all using the BWT line break logic, which is extremely effective on these small time frames, particularly in the E-mini S&P, which can be difficult to trade. So this particular setup here starts trading at 1 minute before 10, and that proved to be pretty good today. There was one small loser here, which is one of the neat things about using the line break algorithm. The stops are usually pretty small. In this case, it went short at 83.75 and was stopped out at 84.50. That's only a loss of 3 ticks. So we had that one small loser here, and you can see the drawdown in equity was only $75 there, and then came back to go long on this winner here at about just a few minutes shy of 11 o'clock, and this trade was good enough to hit its first profit target, which is 20 ticks. And then the next trade caused it to hit its goal, which is 750 on the day, and obviously there was a tick slippage on each contract as the auto trader very deliberately enters a market order when the goal is hit. So this was pretty good. There was very minimal drawdown and the goal was hit. Okay, next up is another chart of the Super Renko 4 tick, and this one is shy of its goal, but the settings are more aggressive on this chart, and the entry time here is at the open 9:30. I am running different versions of this to see if I can get an idea of the most efficient entry time, and it appears that for this particular setup that the entry time is offset from the open, either 30 to 60 minutes seems to be best. In any case, the goal on this one is $1,000, and it had quite a few trades, but it's still closed to the positive side of 687.50, so really can't complain as far as that goes. Okay, this is the third chart of the E-mini S&P on the Super Renko 4 tick, and this one came shy of its goal of $1,000, and the difference on this one here is it starts trading at 10:30, and it's only trading, well, it's trading 2 contracts, and it didn't take its first trade till just before noon, and it looks like it had 3 winners and 2 losers to close at 4:25. Okay, next up is the crude oil, and trying some different time frames here. This is a 150 tick chart, and this is only trading a single contract on this chart, just one contract. We have a stop loss of 12 ticks, and we are trailing by the volatility stop once we hit 12 ticks of profit. And this one also has a goal of 750 or 75 ticks, and it hit its goal by noon with 1 tick of slippage on the market order exit. Just want to demonstrate the versatility of the auto trader, that it can adapt and be profitable on any liquid time frame. Just wanted to point out that this is a limit order at the close of the bar, so no slippage on the entry. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a 377 tick chart, and this is using our line break logic. This is also a limit order at the close of the bar, minus 1 tick, so no slippage on the entry. And the profit goal here is $1,000. This one is trading 2 contracts. Also only a stop loss of 12 ticks. This one very handily hit its goal today. Trading starts at, on this one, again, an hour offset from the open. So first trade at 9:30, and it had hit its goal by 10 o'clock. So within 30 minutes, it hit its goal in the crude oil. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please have a look around our website or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.